Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. One of our subscriber, Ayub Al Waqif, he requested 2 hours ago for the price prediction of WRX WazirX. So I'm gonna try my best to see what could be the price of WazirX in the days to come. I will try my best. So let's start the video. So here I am on the 1 month chart, which is a monthly chart. You see, if you take a look here, just take a look here. If we remove this candle, okay, if we remove this candle, and here on the 1st of April, if you can say that the price, you see the price made a high, and this was a swing high, okay, this was a monthly swing high, okay. So always draw the lines on the top, which would be your resistance, okay, swing high, and the bottom of that candle, that should be the support, okay. And the body of the wick here, where the wick is ending, you can also draw this one to be the important zone as well. So I'm gonna draw here as well. So these are the three current levels. If you want to take it here, this is the all-time high, this is the all-time low, and this one is, let me show you, this one 2.84. okay. First of all, these are the three levels: all-time high, and the swing low of this one, and the body of the candle where it closed. Now if we place here, this could be, if we place a bottom here somewhere, this one, yeah, this could be our bottom. I will make it dash, and then now I'm gonna make a Fibonacci level from bottom to the top, this one, okay. Now this is on the monthly chart. Just look at that. I have not I have hide the candle of this month. So let's see how the price behaved. Let's move on. Okay, what it says, that bar reply can't be connected. Okay, just let me, yeah, this one, okay. You see how, just take a look how the price went down to this area, this support area, the swing low of the swing high candle. You see how it was bounced off the swing low here, you can see right now. So that's how the price reacts. You see, that's how the price reacts. So next step is, I'm gonna move on to the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart right now. So if we take a weekly chart here, this was on the monthly support. Just don't worry about, don't get confused due to this area, because if we look at the monthly, you see a perfect support here. So that's why it was, so that's why the larger the time frame, the better the areas, you see. But if we shift to monthly weekly chart, you see there is no wicks here. Why? Because there was no wicks, yes, you can say, but it still managed to close here. It still tried to, it was rejected from this area. This was a perfect support on the monthly, so that's why it was unable to break below this level. So if we'll take a look at the weekly one now, we are on the weekly chart right now, and you can see here, if I draw anything, this went down. This is a parabolic move. Let me go to the daily chart. Okay, right now what do we have here? Okay, you see, there was no support here on the weekly, but on the daily you can see here, this small red candle here, this small red candle, this one, it shows that there was a support somewhere here. It was a squeezed candle, you can call this one. So the next I would recommend you, if somehow the price goes down, you see the price goes down, then the next high would be this area somewhere here. You can call this one to be, see, very little area, this one, okay, this one, This one would be if somehow price comes down, then we can see this level to be tested 0.45, and it's very near to the bottom. We then might be very close to the bottom. Okay, so in case if this candle fails to break above this level, why? Because let's take a look at these are Fibonacci levels, just try to understand that. And if we take a look here, just let me show you guys. The price came down, made a lower swing high, came down, lower swing high, came down, lower swing high, came down, lower swing high, came down. Now I'm expecting a bounce back to this area. You see, let me show you how. Let me show you here. If I zoom out a bit, let me show you with the help of this candle. Let me check this one, let me make it a bit yeah, this one would be good. So let me show you guys. The price made a high here. Okay, the next candle came down at this area, okay. The next candle up was retested here, previous swing high. Okay, then again the price came down, make a new low. Okay, then again the price went up, tested, got rejected twice. It was rejected 1, 2 and 3 times. So 3 times rejection on the upside, that's why price went down. Then it made a new swing low here, and then what happened? It tested the previous swing low. It tested the swing low of the previous swing high, this one. You see how it perfectly tested this swing high. This was a swing high. It tested that but rejected. What happened after that? Let's take a look. Let's dive into it. The price continued to fall down, making a new low. You see, making a new low. Then what happened again? The price tested the swing low of previous swing high here. You see, perfectly. See how it is, firstly it tested this swing low of swing high, then it tested this swing low of swing high. Now if we continue here, the price made another swing low here somewhere, might be, yeah, this one, this area, made a new swing low. Then here again the price tested the swing low of swing high. You see here again the price tested the swing low of swing high and got rejected. So you see how the perfectly price is going down. Now what I am expecting is that might be we're gonna see some accumulation somewhere here, might be this one. Okay, and then we might see a test to this one here. This one is the swing high, so we would draw this level to be here, somewhere here. Okay, so I am expecting the price to come up and gonna test this zone. That would be somewhere here, 1.8. okay, right now if it is at 1.2, it's gonna retest at this area, previous swing high, because this is how the candle has been reacting to. You see, every chart has a different analysis. You have to look for the chart analysis. I have not prepared anything. I am just doing at the spot for you guys right now, on the spot. Okay, so right now you see long wick from the downside. It means that there are a lot of buyers. Buying is also taking place, and this small candle is a doji candle. If we have a look at the doji candle pattern, doji candlestick pattern, let's take a look. If might be that's not a, or might be hammer candlestick. That would be, let's take a look at the hammer candlestick. You see here, this one is quite similar, very similar to the one types of candles. Yeah, you can call this one. If we go back to the, you see some wick on the upside, but you can see we have to look the behavior of the candle. The long wick on the downside means this supply has been absorbed by the buyers and the price wants to go up. So what I am expecting right now, the price is going to test this area. This one is also a good spot here, this one. So this is the zone I'm expecting the price to bounce back, and if price breaks above this level, then we might see a next, you know, a next test at this level. That would be this one swing high, that would be the swing high, this one as well, which would be here. So that's how the price is going to react. So in reverse case, also prepare for the worst case as well. In reverse case, the price goes down, BTC dumps, then we might see a break of this level, and then we might go down to 0.45 as well. So always watch out for the, you know, BTC price as well. So, and this is right now, this is the 100 EMA, so it is perfectly going along this area. So I might see a test at this area, this 1.87. This is the short-term goal. On the long term, we can say 2.7 is also on the charts if it breaks above. So that's the current scene, guys. That's the current scenario of the WazirX WRX USD price pair. I hope you understand the price analysis. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.